Have you ever spent 10 minutes expanding the eyeliner through the hooded part of your eyes, feeling proud of yourself, then realize all you got is this? Thumbs up if you can relate, my friends. And I'm about to show you how to get from here to here. The full-on eyeliner for monolid eyes that does not look like Panda. Let's get started. I have already primed my eyes, so we're gonna move on to the liner very quickly. If you're looking straight into the mirror right now, tuck your head back a little bit, baby. We're gonna first elongate the lash line. I usually elongate my lash line by about 2 to 3 millimeters, and then I'm gonna look straight into the mirror and flick my wing as if it is the continuation of my lower lash line all the way up towards the temple. And then I'm gonna tuck my head back again and connect the wing with the natural curve of my eyes. If there is any mistake or I'm not satisfied with the wing, I'm gonna erase it with a little bit of silicone primer loaded on a Q-tip and then go back rebuilding the wing. You can stop here and it's gonna be a natural eyeliner, but if you want to go all in, hold your eyelids up a little bit and we're gonna tight line. First, begin with a line that is above and very close to the lash roots. To be honest, I don't recommend doing this every single day because pulling your skin too much might lead to wrinkles. But for special occasions, I think it's worth it. And then another thin line under the lash root, still keeping it very close. And once you are done with the two lines, fill in the blanks using massaging motions like this.
I've been playing with this check and I ain't standing this G. That I ran it off a Turo, different state, a different week. I've been running up these O's, I've been trying to make it sweet.
If you make any mistake, that's okay. We can always erase it with a little bit of silicone primer. And if by doing so your eyeshadow gets a little bit rubbed up, that's okay as well, baby. Just reapply the eye primer and the eyeshadow. It's gonna take quite a bit of time, but if you're an eyeliner lover like me, it's gonna be worth it. Sometimes eyeliner could slide off from our skin very quickly if we just go back and forward too many times in one spot. But don't worry, just tap on some face powder, then hold the pen on the opposite direction and touch your skin with the whole length of the tip instead of just the tip of the tip. We're gonna be fine. If you feel like your pen is drying out a little bit and it's a felt tip, push it against your skin and the ink will come out again. But don't push too hard. And if you're a clumsy kid like me, it is very likely that after applying mascara, you're gonna rub up your eyeliner again. So, here I am rebuilding my eyeliner 20 million times, but never give up. And after about, let's say, an hour of hard work, this is what we're gonna get, baby. To see full tutorial on this makeup look, keep your eyes on the right side of the screen. I will be uploading that video here very soon once I'm finished editing it. Meanwhile, for more content like this, you could check out my monolid makeup playlist. And if you feel like this video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. Thank you, and I wish you peace in mind.